presenting the Jeep 2015 Grand Cherokee Altitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.